Exposing the longest hiccup spree in human history, buckle up for 68 years of hiccups. Meet Charles Osborne from Iowa. His hiccuping marathon began in 1922 after a bizarre incident involving a hog. Yeah, you heard that right. He fell while trying to weigh the pig. And that's when the hiccups started. And they didn't stop. For 68 years. Can you imagine? He hiccuped an estimated 430 million times. That's more than some people blink in a lifetime. Despite this hiccup horror show, Charles managed to live a relatively normal life. Talk about resilience. The hiccups finally stopped in 1990, just a year before he passed away. So, next time you have the hiccups, remember Charles Osborne. Your few minutes of hiccuping don't seem so bad now, do they? Stay tuned for more amazing Guinness World Records, and don't forget to like and subscribe.